Good morning children. Today I will discuss the assignment related to the topic synthetic fibers and plastics. In this assignment we are having 4 questions and 2 objectives are there. First question, write any 4 characteristics of plastics. Write any 4 characteristics of plastics. Plastics are very useful in our daily life because of their properties. What are the different properties? Properties are nothing but characteristics. First thing, these plastics can be molded easily into different shapes. Second one, these can be reusable and recyclable. These plastics can be rolled into any sheets. And one more characteristic we can say that using these plastics we can make wires also. Plastic wires. Because of these characteristics, these plastics are very useful. So here we can say that different characteristics, like they can be molded easily into different shapes. These can be reusable and recyclable. They are having that property. Next, these can be rolled into any sheets. These are having using these properties. We can prepare the wires also using the plastics. These are the characteristics of plastics. Second question. Second question is, how many types of plastics are classified based on? How many types of plastics are classified based on deformation? Based on deformation. Here, based on deformation of the plastics on heating, these are mainly classified into 2 types. First one is thermoplastics and second one is thermosetting plastics. These are the 2 different types of plastics, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics, based on their deformation on heating. Third question, what is thermoplastic? Give example. What is thermoplastics? Give an example. Thermoplastics are nothing but these are the plastics which can be deformed on heating, which can be deformed easily on heating, and these can be bent easily. Such type of plastics are called as thermoplastics. Here these can be deformed easily on heating and can be melted. They can be melt easily. They can be bent easily. Examples. Examples. Polyethylene and PVC. Polyvinyl chloride. This is also an example for thermoplastics. So thermoplastics are nothing but these are the type of plastics which can be deformed easily on heating and can be bent into different shapes. Examples: polyvinyl chloride, polyethane, etc. Next question, fourth one. What is thermosetting plastic? Give example. Thermosetting plastics are the plastics which once molded, they cannot be softened again. They cannot be softened on heating. Such type of plastics are called as thermosetting plastics. Example: bakelite, melamine. These two are the best examples for thermosetting plastics. So once they are molded means they cannot be deformed or softened easily by heating. Example: bakelite and melamine. Next, objectives. Dash plastic is used in fireproof and dress materials. Here they have given the options: bakelite, melamine, option A and B, and none of these. The option is actually melamine can be used. Answer is melamine, option B, can be used to prepare the fireproof and dress materials. Plastics which is used in fireproof and dress materials. Next one, dash is used in manufacturing of pipes. Options, they have given polyvinyl chloride, melamine, bakelite, both A and B. Here actually PVC, polyvinyl chloride. This is the thermoplastics that is used in the manufacturing of pipes. This is the assignment. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.